Chassis and fuel cell system. New Mirai constructed on Toyota's GL rear-wheel drive platform. A 5-seat model, longer, wider, lower and with a longer wheelbase. Fuel cell stack more compact, lighter in weight and more powerful, relocated to the car's front compartment. New lithium-ion battery with higher energy density. Repackaging of components allows for 3 high-pressure hydrogen tanks to be used, increasing fuel capacity and driving range. Adopting the GL platform has allowed the fuel cell stack and drivetrain components to be repackaged in a way that makes more efficient use of space. The result is a more spacious, 5-seat cabin and a better chassis balance. Perhaps most significantly, it enables 3 high-pressure hydrogen tanks to be fitted, increasing fuel capacity and the car's driving range by 30. The tanks are arranged in AT configuration, the longest running longitudinally and centrally beneath the vehicle floor, with 2 smaller tanks set laterally beneath the rear seats and luggage compartment. Together they can hold 5.6 kilograms of hydrogen, compared to 4.6 kilograms in the current Mirai's 2 tanks. Their position contributes to the car's lower center of gravity and avoids compromising load space. The new architecture also permits the all-new hydrogen fuel cell to be moved from its current location beneath the floor to the front compartment equivalent to the engine bay, while the more compact high-voltage battery and electric motor are positioned above the rear axle. As explained below, powertrain layout has been optimized to give new Mirai a 50-50 front-rear weight distribution. Further benefits are gained from new Mirai's use of larger wheels and tires. The 19 and 20-inch wheels are fitted with 235/55 R19 and 245/45 R20 tires respectively, with low rolling resistance and quiet running, contributing to fuel efficiency, handling quality, stability and a quiet cabin environment. Using larger diameter wheels and tires helps secure the space required for the new triple hydrogen fuel tanks. The new Toyota Mirai also displays more attractive vehicle proportions. Overall height has been reduced by 65 mm to 1,470 mm, and there is a 140 mm increase in the wheelbase 2,920 mm. With the rear overhang extended by 85 mm, overall vehicle length is now 4,975 mm. A 75 mm increase in the track width and the use of larger, 19 and 20-inch wheels add to the lower and more dynamic stance and visual sense of the new Mirai's lower center of gravity. At the core of Mirai, hydrogen from the fuel tank and the air entering from the intake grill meet in the fuel cell stack. There, a chemical reaction involving the oxygen in the air and hydrogen creates electricity, powering Mirai. In the end, the only byproduct is water. Now a new generation Mirai is being launched, a car that takes SCV technology to a higher level and offers more emotional customer appeal in terms of dynamic, contemporary styling and more rewarding driving performance. A comprehensively redesigned fuel cell system, intelligent packaging and aerodynamic efficiency help extend the driving range to around 650 kilometers, with no other emissions than pure water. The fuel cell stack uses a solid polymer, as in the current Mirai, but has been made smaller and has fewer cells, 330 instead of 370. Nonetheless, it sets a new record for specific power density at 5.4 kW/L excluding end plates. Maximum power has thus risen from 114 kilowatts to 128 kilowatts. Cold weather performance has been improved with startup now possible at temperatures from as low as 30 degrees. The new Mirai is equipped with lithium-ion high-voltage battery in place of the previous nickel-metal hydride unit. Although smaller in size, it is more energy-dense, giving higher output and superior environmental performance. Containing 84 cells, it has a 310.8 V rated voltage compared to the NiMH unit's 244.8 V, and a 4.0 Ah capacity, versus 6.5 Ah. Overall weight has been reduced from 46.9 to 44.6 kilograms. The peak output has improved from 25.5 kilowatts x 10 seconds to 31.5 kilowatts x 10 seconds. The battery's smaller dimensions have allowed it to be positioned behind the rear seats, avoiding intrusion in the load compartment. An optimized air cooling path has been designed, with discrete inlets either side of the rear seats. With the increase in power, the Mirai's acceleration from 0-100 km/h has improved by 0.6 seconds to 9.0 seconds. Top speed is 175 km/h. Take just 5 minutes or less. Active cornering assist automatically improves the car's stability in high-speed cornering, applying braking force to the inside rear wheel so that drive torque is increased on the outer rear wheel, creating a yaw moment and minimizing understeer. As a result, the Mirai maintains a faithful line with one of the best possible cornering limits. Braking control in high-speed cornering helps prevent the car tucking in if the driver takes their foot off the accelerator, maintaining stability and reducing the risk of an oversteer spin. When driving in high crosswinds, the system will again apply braking force to create an anti-yaw moment, keeping the car stable and true to its course.